I'm back again with another email setting video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can do the email setting for loan due reminder and loan application. We already know our basics, that is, go to master setup settings, email services to set up all your services like the host, username, password, everything, and then go to the templates to set up your templates. And we know that we can use the SMS templates for emails also. Okay, so now let's see. Let me go to master setup and email template and see if the loan due reminder template is being set. Okay, so I'm gonna go to email template and go down. So yes, loan due reminder auto email is set. Let me just see if I click here. Yes, it's set, but loan application is not there. So let me just quickly go to setting, SMS service, loan application. Okay, for a new loan application, and then we just use this sample text from here, and we go down to setting, sorry, we go down to email template, sorry, email template. We choose the loan new application auto email. We just say loan application. We're just gonna do this as loan applied. Use this message here as we always do, PR, thank you. Okay, then PR, and then we say Genome Software. Okay, we can see the preview of our message here. We just need another BR here to get it a little. Okay, then we are gonna save this template. So this template is saved. Now let's see how this is working and how the emails are coming through. So let's first go to status report, due list. Okay, and let's see if the due reminder is coming or not. So we have for Manoj Pandey, I'm gonna just click this and say SMS due reminder. Okay, it says email sent. Now let's go and see. Okay, yes, the email has come. Loan due, dear Manoj, amount 107, loan account 55 is due on 29th July. Okay, now let's go back and do a loan application and see if the email is coming through. Okay, let's go select a customer. Okay, I'm going to create a loan for him. So configure manually, amount 10,000, 2% monthly for 12 months. Okay, and then just say save. So when it goes is created for approval process, it is application is done. So this is email sent. Okay, let's see, let's go and see. Yes, loan application email has come through. So dear Raj, we've received your loan application of 10,000. You'll be notified for the process. So friends, this way different types of templates can be configured. I showed you loan due reminder and loan application. I'll come back with another video to show you how the loan is approved, closed, and if any additional information is needed, how that email comes through to. Okay, until then, please do not forget to subscribe our Jainam Software YouTube channel. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching this video.